My name's Charlotte Ryland, and I'm director of the Stephen Spender Trust. We've known for a long time that the act of translation, especially poetry translation, is hugely beneficial to young people. It fuels their creativity, it increases confidence and self-esteem, especially for those who speak languages other than English at home. It consolidates core literacy skills, increases enjoyment in reading and creative writing. It raises the profile of languages in schools, it breaks down languages hierarchies, and it supports community cohesion and well-being.
Hi, my name is Isis. I translated this song from Spanish to English because me and my mom used to really sing this song. I can cry with this song, I can laugh with this song, I can be angry with this song, everything. Because you didn't know how to understand my heart. What was in it? Because you didn't have the courage to see who I am.
My name is Sam, and I translated a poem from German to English.
Hoppy, hoppy rider, when he falls he cries that he falls into the pond, he's wetter than beyond, he falls into the swamp, the rider then goes bump.
The accompanying element that he used was a video where he sang his translation, and I couldn't get that song out of my head. So thank you for that.
My name is Dalia, and I translated a poem from Arabic into English. As a Syrian myself, I've definitely witnessed the harsh impacts that war has on both mental and physical health of its victims, and I translated this poem as a way of hopefully spreading awareness and encouraging world peace. We Iraqis build doors of metals for our homes, only for us to rest behind them. We Iraqis fire bullets when one of us dies until we accidentally kill the other.
It's a poem about the dark realities of war, the haunting realities of war, and I thought it was masterfully translated. All the rawness and the power was brought in into the translation.
My name is Dennis, and I translated a poem from Portuguese. How much of your salt, O salty sea, is the tears of Portugal's plea? By crossing ourselves, how many mothers sob, how many children cry out to God.
It's a poem about the sea and like the hardship that can come from it. And in the visual representation, you can see someone who's in the water and you can only see half of their face. And you can see the reflection of this half head in the water in a really, really moving, beautiful, creative way. And that was really reflected in the translation, which is a very individual reading of it, very, very sensitive reading of it. I was really very impressed with that entry, and I have thought back on it many times since.
One of the highlights for me was seeing the way in which students were able to bring their home and community languages into the classroom, and see yet another way in which these can be such a valuable asset. Another fun moment was when we compared the students' efforts to machine translation, and the consensus was clear. Our year 8s were much better translators and poets than AI.
My grandma speaks another language. I don't know which language it is, and I'd never spoken to her about it before. But straight after the workshop, I went back and I talked to her about it because I'm a translator now, and so I know about languages.
Obrigado!
Thank you.
Merci, bien.
Grazie.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Gracias.
Obrigada.